Do you want to wake up every day knowing that you can earn up to 10K per day from the comfort of your home, or even while sipping coffee at your favorite joint? The dream is real, and in this video, I will walk you through 10 proven ways to hit that 10K daily mark right here in Kenya. So if it's your first time, it's your boy child, Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. As always, Mose loves you. Stay tuned to learn everything from dropshipping, Forex trading, to even visual assistant. Now let's start with something a little bit complicated, but it's very easy. This is dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the easiest way to earn 10,000 shillings here in Kenya with minimal upfront cost. Here is how it works. You sell products online without keeping inventory. When a customer buys from your store, the supplier ships the products direct to the customers. All you handle is marketing and customer service. Now let's break this dropshipping down so that you can understand it easily. Now the first thing that you need to do is that you need to choose your niche. Identify a niche with the demand but low competition. Now examples of niches that you can venture in, we have affordable versions, baby products, fitness gears, or eco-friendly items. You can use tools like Google Trend or Niche Scraper. These tools can help you to pick a right niche. Now once you have chosen your niche right here in Kenya, the next step is that you need to set up your Shopify store. Create a Shopify store. Usually comes with 14 days trial. Customize your store using drag and drop features. Then add product categories, payment options, and a professional logo. Once you have set up your Shopify store, the next step is to source products from AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. Both platforms offers affordable products with global shipping options. Connect your Shopify to CJ Dropshipping or using an AliExpress plugin like Obalo. While you are on AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, you need to select products that has got great reviews and images. I hope we are in the same page. Now, for example, if you are in health niche, you can pick a product like pregnancy safety belt extender or Mimi belt. This belt helps pregnant women. They tie them while driving. Now you can get this belt on competitors' website at $39.99. But on AliExpress, you can get it at $1.11. So if you sell one product, you'll be getting a profit margin of $38. Now what if you sell 10 items per day? Definitely you will hit your 10K daily mark. Dropshipping is one of the easiest and best way of making money online. This is the best method that is making millionaires here in Kenya. Now, since you have picked your product, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to market your store. And to do this, you need to use Facebook ads and Instagram influencers. You need also to offer discount and free shipping to attract more customers. Now, once you have made your first sale, you need to reinvest your profit into ads, expand your product range, and automate customer services using tools like Zendesk. Now the next method that you can use to get your 10,000 shillings per day here in Kenya is through transcription. Transcription is all about converting audio or video files into written text. It is flexible and reliable way to earn daily income. Many platforms accept Kenyans and pay via M-Pesa and PayPal. Now, top platforms to look for transcription, you need to look for Rave, Transcription, Go Transcript, Transcribe Me, and Habiscribe. And you need to expect to earn from $10 to $30 per audio hour. With the 3 hours of work, you can hit your 10K daily mark. Now here is a pro tip. You need to invest in good headphones and use transcription tools like Otter.ai to speed up your work. If you enjoy writing articles, writing is another fantastic option. Businesses are looking for skilled writers to create blog posts, web copies, and articles. Start on platforms like iWriter, Content Mart, or Writers Hub. And here you can expect to earn up to 3 shillings per word for high quality articles. Write 3,000 words daily and you are at your 10K threshold. Now to succeed here, you need to master skills like search engine optimization, grammar, and creativity. You need also to create a portfolio and pitch directly to local businesses. Another method that can help you to get 10,000 shillings daily here in Kenya is through social media. Social media is gold mine for creators from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even Facebook. Content creation can be monetized through ads, brand partnership, and even selling your own products. Now how to start? Identify a niche, for example, cooking, travel, finance, or tech review. Then use your phone to start. No need of fancy equipment. You can monetize your social media, for example, YouTube, using Google Ads, sponsored posts, and even affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to grow faster on this social media, you need to post consistently and engage with your audience. Now, another fantastic method of making 10,000 shillings here in Kenya is through creating and selling digital products. Digital products like templates, ebooks, and planners, they are in high demand. Once you create them, they sell on autopilot, making it a passive income source. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and your own Shopify store, a great place to sell these digital products. Now you can use Canva or Adobe to create visual appealing products. The next way that you can make 10,000 shillings here in Kenya is through becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will help businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. It is a high demand role that pays well. Start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and remote.co. You need also to have special skills in communication, organization, and basic tech skills. You can earn from 1,000 shillings to 2,000 shillings per hour. Work for 5 hours and you are at your 10K. Now another method that can help you to get 10,000 shillings per day here in Kenya is through freelancing. Freelancing covers a wide range of skills from web design, graphic designs, and digital marketing. You can earn as much as you want, depending on your skills and client base. Now, for example, for me, I always get new gigs every day on freelancer.com. So you can check out on this website, freelancer.com, people per hour, and guru.com. Now, a pro tip here is that you need to deliver a high quality work to secure repeat clients. Now, another method that you can get your 10,000 shillings here in Kenya is through Forex trading. Have you heard about Forex trading? Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies to make a profit. With the right knowledge and tools, you can earn consistently. Start with a demo account on platforms like XM or OctaFX. Learn basics. Study chart patterns, indicators, and risk management. Never risk 2% of your capital on a single trade. Another simple way that you can earn your 10K daily here in Kenya is through online tutoring. If you are skilled in particular subjects, online tutoring can be very lucrative. Students and parents are always looking for tutors. Platforms like Preplay, Check Tutor, or Teach Me Too are a great place to start. You can expect to earn from 1,000 to 3,000 shillings per session. Teach 4 lessons to hit your 10K daily. There you have it. Solid ways to make 10,000 shillings daily here in Kenya. Whether you are starting dropshipping business, freelancing, or teaching students online, the opportunities are endless. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and grow steadily, and soon you will achieve your financial independence. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to make 10,000 shillings here in Kenya. God bless you. As always, Mose loves you. Bye.